I don't want to give him no.
I'm so mad. I'm so
credit.
pissed. Hold up for a minute. I know you guys want to hear what's the sadness about, but first, let's jump into the good part of this vlog. Well, just zoom in with me on this amazing, beautiful piece on Babe hand. I get this gift from a company called Filippo Loreti. Just check out the quality of this watch that Babe is wearing. It absolutely makes him feel flashy. He's in love with this watch. I love the color that he chose, and it just fit for any occasion. Filippo Loreti have amazing high quality watches on their website that can be gifted to your husband, to any family member, whoever, whichever men in the family or friend that you wish to gift a watch. They have different bands, different colors, you name it, they have it over there. So make sure that you click the link down below and you'll get 15% off of your purchase by using the code the Delaveaus #15, the Delaveaus in all capital letter, THEDELAVEAUS #15 to get 15% off your purchase. These watches are really high quality, and as you guys can see, Baby is really enjoying his and lifting his spirit. You can wear this, and he can wear this on any occasion, whether to go to work, whether an event, you name it, he can wear it. Now I really wanted to show you guys how the watch comes, and it comes in this really cute protective box that showcase the watch beautifully the moment you open this box, and it comes with a protective layer on the face of the watch so that the watch won't get scratched or anything like that. Inside the box also have the watch band, an extension of the watch band, so if it doesn't fit your hand you can extend it. Inside also come with an instruction manual, also come with a cleaning cloth that you can use to clean your watch. There you have it, guys. Please go ahead and ensure that you click on this link right now and get your watch from Filippo Loreti and get 15% off by using the code the Delaveaus #15 right now. Good morning, good morning, morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. It's sunny today. The rain has left us, I guess. I didn't hear much last night. Did you, babe?
Not too much.
It fell, but not much. Not what I expected. Right. So we are out and the fam bam say hello. Say good morning, fams. Good girl. So right now we are on the road. Early mission this morning. I have to go to the post office that I wanted to go since yesterday and didn't get to go, and Ty have to go and take his final COVID test because he's returning to school today. However, he's missing the first part of school, and today, however, would have to go and pick him up anyways for canteen because canteen closed, so would have to pick him up for lunch. So we're just gonna bring him after lunch, so he can go and do his COVID test this morning. So that's what we're going to do right now. But I'm going to the post office, and then Baby's heading to go do Tyler test. So everybody is minding their own business this morning, going different places. So I'm with Princess and Papa is with the Prince. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. My camera lighting. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Do whatever you have to do to continue, stay safe, you and your fam bam. Yeah, it's flu season, it's cough season, so be safe, be extra careful, you guys. Anyway, let's see what today has to offer. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and be sure to subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, and we'll catch you guys along the rest of today. You didn't say morning, you?
Morning, guys.
Morning, boys. Let me be like you. Anything for your defense. That's what you'd say. You guys, I'm at the post office, but the line is long, so I have a little wait right now, and that's okay. We got time, shorty. You you guys, look who and I end up to the park. Say cuckoo, babes, cuckoo. Say hello. Whee! Sarah love a swing. The boys in a little mishap, so we're chilling at the park. Ha, you find numbers. You found numbers. Count. Uh-huh. Yay, good job. Come, wee, slide. Come on. Ah. Yay! Good job! Sarah is loving this park. All by herself. Well, there's a lot of kids here, but she's having fun without her brother. Yeah! Each time she climbs, she counts, then she slides. Go on! Go on! Goes. Hey! Back on the swing princess. Back to school we go after final negative COVID test. Ready? Go back to school. Yay! Mama. I am here making dinner for the fam bam, changing things up a bit from the usual what I used to cook. I'm making pork chops. I make some white sauce here. Yes, not healthy, but that's okay. This is heavy cream, and what's the other, sour cream that's in here with a little salt and a little seasoning. Tastes really good. If you guys want to see all this though, it will be on my food channel because I'm filming, so subscribe to Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, you guys will see all this. I already have some green beans left over from yesterday. I just put some corn on it to spruce it up a bit, and in the oven here I have some potatoes. You guys will see that in a bit. We're gonna have some cheese, so let's get dinner going. Or I mean, let's finish up. Let's finish up. Din for the fam bam. Dinner, and that's dinner for today. The entire fam bam is ready. Ready to grab? Sarah is already eating. Say bye-bye, Fibs. Say night-night. Good job. Tell us a night-night to Fibs.
Night-night.
Look up, please.
Night-night.
I wish that I could hold it. You guys, we are talking about R. Kelly. Let me just put it out there and let you guys know that my husband is very sad. He's very heartbroken. He's depressed. Why? R. Kelly was, because I'm not gonna say, well, I'm still gonna say was his favorite artist, and he wasn't my favorite artist, but R. Kelly's songs. Listen, R. Kelly's songs were everything growing up. He have hits on top of hits. Now I could listen to R. Kelly songs and everything just all makes sense. Me when I hear laughing and singing some of the lines that we can relate to the sexual abuse of all the things. Reason why is because we're watching the documentary that just came out on Netflix. If you guys want to watch it, it's a good watch so far, but I'm tired, so I have to pause on it. Oh, what do you have to say about your favorite artist?
No, let's say used to love his music. That's true.
Tell them how many CDs you have.
Maybe I have all of them. Maybe not the last, because since some years it started to decrease. Let's say that his first CD was the best one. But yeah, all of what happened, it just makes me just can't listen to him the same.
Don't even want to see the CDs though.
Yeah, I mean, I can't listen to him the same.
You cannot relate to the lyrics the same anymore.
Right.
It's like you're thinking of little girls, creepy.
It's the same thing, and I don't want to. Okay, for me, if all of this thing wasn't happening, I will continue to listen. But I don't want to give credit or tribute or anything to what he has. Yeah, so that's why I just completely turn and.
It's sad though.
But yeah, if he have done what they say he have done and what he is accused of, I don't want to give him no.
I'm so mad. I'm
credit.
so pissed. The reason
That's
why
a
I'm
waste
pissed.
of talent.
Waste of. The man is
Waste
talent beyond his imagination. The man can sing.
And the fact is, just before we starting that, we were watching a series named I Am a Killer. And just the episode before, but just tell me that. But think about it. All of these killers, they all have the same background. Like most of the time, one of the parents left. They got molested when they were young, and all of these things. And just when we switch to R. Kelly, and we hear exactly the same thing, that when he was young, he got molested and all of this. So,
which doesn't justify
no, but
whatever. But
it's just showing
pattern.
that education.
Oh yeah. and family
is everything.
And family too, and family having
Don't
both
give
parents.
up on education. Don't bring your kids. Don't let, because you're tired, don't let your kid going out and come back at the end of the day. I mean, it might not gonna be turn bad, but you will have more chance to turn bad.
Having both parents make a huge difference. A huge, whether one parent's
Most of the time you see the
lost,
father
like,
left,
dying, or the father left, or something always go wrong with one of the child somewhere along the way after those things happen, and it's just sad. But when you look back to everything, it all boils down to parenting. That's really what it boils down to, you know. Parenting. But
anyways, the end of the day, she is tired. We both have a long day, but she has a longer day, so we're gonna end now.
yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today bits and pieces of her life. If you do, which I know you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch fun, keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.